How's it guys, Samuel here from KSA Photography, and after a lot of requests and messages and comments, I decided to make this video on how I created this photo that I posted on Facebook earlier. I hope this video might help some of the struggling beginners. I know it took me more than a year to get to this point, so if this video helps you in any way, drop me a like, and if you know of somebody that struggles with some part of photography, share this with them. This isn't just for compositing. Some of the techniques might even help you with your normal photography. I know it helped me a lot, and I hope it helps all the beginners and maybe even help some of the enthusiasts out there. Hey, you never know, maybe some of the pros. I myself, I'm not the best photographer out there. Every day you learn something new, so I know this isn't the perfect composite, but hey, we all try, eh? We all have to start somewhere. So I hope this video helps you today, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are in Photoshop. I actually do prefer working in Photoshop rather than Lightroom. I just like the amount of control that I have over a photo much better in Photoshop. If it is, let's say, a party or something with a lot of photos, I will batch process them in Lightroom, but then I'll take individual photos and bring them to Photoshop just to clean them up and to finalize most of the photos. So let's jump in. As you can see, I have my photo here. It is a RAW photo. I do recommend shooting in RAW, especially if you start out. I must say, because you can rescue most of your photos if you are a beginner with RAW. So let's just open up the RAW file.
Go through the violence until they all make sense. Still got so many questions. I took forever long to carve out your intent. I can't say I comprehend it. Used to be looking up, used to believe in trust. I used to be optimistic. Now I'm so used to discovering all I had was wishful thinking. My love was your statistic. But if it makes you happy, then I'll take my pride away. And in case you still wanted me, I'll let you have the final say. If it makes you happy, at the cost of my pain, and in place of final frame, we will make our usual trade. And in your defense, you never meant to hurt nobody. Which makes me somebody to use, somebody to lose. Oh, to your laws and your rules that I never refused, no. How was I so relentless when it was your offense? I was so dependent, under your influence, over your excuses. It's your choice to lose it.